What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview. Guys, today we finally broke out of that little bit of balance that we were creating here in these 4460 area was holding rather well. So I guess today we're gonna figure out if this is a real breakdown here and we can go find some lower levels, or is this possibly a liquidity grab and we have a move back up higher tomorrow. The only thing we have to worry about tomorrow is on the docket we could see there it is. Nope, there it is. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna have the FOMC minute. So, guys, if you took an entire day off from trading this entire week, I'd say tomorrow will be a great day to do it. What typically happens is range trading, kind of like we've had the last 2 days, and then the market goes ahead and has a heart attack. Right after the data drops. Now let's remember this is the FOMC minutes. This is the notes that are taken about the July FOMC meeting where Powell spoke. Powell does not speak at this meeting. Okay, so if you took any day off this week tomorrow, or any day off this week, I'd say tomorrow would be a pretty good day to do it. But onto the charts here. As we can see, I want to see if this 4440 to 4450 level holds. You can see looking back here on this 4-hour chart, is this going to be a little bit of demand? We went right down into it and bounced on up. So I want to see 4440 to 4450. I would like to see if we can take any bounces long there tomorrow, depending where we open up. Okay, if we do break through that level, I wouldn't like the short. I would be just looking at the bounces long at 4420 and 4400 to 4408 in these respected areas. But I do like this area long here at 4440, maybe a slight liquidity grab underneath. The market doesn't like to break down or break out into big data prints. That doesn't mean it can't, but if it's not likely, then more likely we'll be looking for a liquidity grab or a reversal down at a previous day low or a major support like this for 4440 to 4450 area. Now, we reclaim 4468. That could definitely mark a bottom and a little liquidity grab down, right? Because this was such a huge level to hold. Finally broke down through it. If we reclaim it, everybody is going to be short underneath here. This would likely start a squeeze back to 4500 to 4509, 4525 above that. So game plan tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for the bounce here at 4440 to 4450. I will be seeing if there's going to be a reject at 4468. Break and hold, higher low. Longs are on the table up to 4495 to 4500. That's the ES chart for you guys there. SPY chart. Bears have have a little fib tool left on there from our day trading today. As you can see here, guys, very similar chart to the ES chart. It's just the cash ETF SPY here. We finally filled that gap down, right? Finally filled that gap down. So do we hold this 442 level? If you go back here and look, right? If you go back here and look, this was the highs on this candle. This was the back test into this candle and go, right? So is there going to be a little bit of demand left over here at 442? I'd be looking at this 442 to hold tomorrow. 442 to hold. Okay. Likely see if we can reclaim 444. Okay. 444, 445. You see we had multiple touches down in this area. Really call it 445. We can reclaim 445. That can mark a bottom and trap a lot of shorts down here, and we could try to make a move higher from there. So tomorrow, I think really I'm going to get rid of this little box here now because that was the gap fill. Just take this off. Okay, and I'm going to put a new price level here. And I'm going to go like this. Sorry about that, guys. Give me a sec. Here, a little charting 101 for you. Mark your levels, right? Mark your levels. So, as you can see, let's get in here a little bit closer very nicely. All right, as you can see, this can be our area of interest. Yes, today's low of the day all the way down to about 442 even. Okay, look for a slight liquidity grab or drop down and bounce back up. If we can reclaim, I think 445 on this chart would be the definite reclaim, like a nice 4-hour close, 1 hour close above that level. Definitely trap everybody short down here. Okay, and try to move this thing higher back to 447, 448, 50, 450. Above there, if we get below this 442, I really don't think there's another bounce opportunity until we get down here. Whoa. I want to see if I can just zoom in until we get down here to 439 to 440 area. This is the next bounce area I would be looking for personally. Underneath 442, I'd be looking at 440, 439 ish. From there, reclaim 445 is going to definitely open up a short squeeze opportunity back to 447, 448, 50 QQQ chart. Oh, we had that. Oh, had the fib left on there. Sorry about that, guys. A lot stronger than SPY. Tech a lot stronger than SPY. Is it because is it because the bank's XLF was down a couple percent today? Possibly, right? But tech is stronger on the chart. This 365 has been holding. We know 366, 25, 368 are these levels. So tomorrow you're going to want to watch this 365 to 366. If there's any dips into there, I would think this would be a long bounce area, right? I think this would be a long bounce area. If we get underneath 365 tomorrow, you can see back over here there is this 362 level. I'll mark this for you guys here. You can see this 362 level where we could come down and bounce. But I personally like this 357.50 to 360 bounce zone if we get underneath this 365. But no, the 362 could be a level 360, most definitely down to 357.50 or 358. I like this bounce area. In here, that's my most high probability bounce on tech if they sell tech. I have no idea. We have created higher lows, right? We're doing lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, equal lows, higher lows, right? So are we doing a change in structure here? Do we have a break of structure as possible? Have to take out 368 to the upside, and that's going to open up this 372 initially for tomorrow. I'll likely be seeing if we do, let's say we get reclaimed 368, you could take that long all the way up to 372. I would likely look at the shorts at the previous day high, but 372 is definitely a bigger level than the previous day high. So I would definitely look possibly to have a possible reject if that's before the data comes out. After the data comes out, it's no holds bar. Anything could fucking happen from there. Okay. But he had to take a trade in the morning. Long, look the long level from 365 to 366. Look to short from 370 to 372. Before the data, you'll probably be in good shape, or you could take the break and hold a 368. Reclaiming 368 would be a pretty big level. You could ride that up a couple points to the upside. And last but not least, IWM Russell 2000. This one deserves for us to zoom out just a tad on it. All right, what do we see here, guys? Oh. We see this old balance zone, right? That was on top of this previous balance zone, right? So what does that mean? We balanced for a little bit in here, then we went up. Now we're back testing it in here. Is this an area that we are going to try to bounce out of? Right, let's see where we're at on the chart. What was the last time that we were here? What happened? Well, as you can see, we were literally just went down and bounced out of this zone right here. 178 or 188. 188 is where we bounced. So tomorrow, going to look at today's low to 188. You're going to want to see this 188 level hold, reclaim 189.50, would open up 192, 193.50 above there. I'd be looking for the bounce in this zone. Underneath this, I'm going to get rid of this level. Underneath 188, this thing could drop down to 185, 184.50 all the way down in this zone. So I do think we likely will get a bounce somewhere in here at this 188 level or the reclaim of 189.50 to open up 192, 193.50 above there, guys. That's all I got for you. Don't forget, FOMC minutes tomorrow. Do have some pre-market data. And as usual, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.